Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn English for the airport. In this video, you will follow a simple and clear step-by-step guide on how to get on a plane. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the lesson. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to the story to find the answer. Here is today's question. What do you need at the check-in counter? If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. Writing in English is a great way to improve your skills effectively. Are you ready? Let's follow Sarah and Mark to the departure lobby and begin the journey.
Here we are, Sarah. The departure lobby. Are you excited for your first business trip?
I am excited, Mark, but I am also a little nervous. This airport is so big.
That is normal. Look at the big screen. Can you find your flight to London?
Let me see. Flight AB 205 to London. Oh, there it is. It says on time.
Perfect. Now let's head to the check-in counter. To make it easy, just remember there are 4 main steps to getting on a plane.
4 steps? What are they?
Step 1 is check-in and dropping off your bags. Step 2 is the security check. Step 3 is the boarding gate. And step 4 is inside the plane.
Check-in, security, gate, and plane. That sounds simple.
Exactly. It is very simple when you take it step by step. Let's start with step 1. Here is the counter, Sarah. This is where your journey starts. This is step 1.
It looks very busy, Mark. What do we do here exactly?
This is where you check in and drop off your bags. The staff will take your suitcase and send it to the plane for you. Before we get in line, do you have your 2 important items ready?
Yes, I have my passport and my ticket on my phone.
Perfect. The staff will accept both paper and electronic tickets. You are ready.
Good morning. Welcome. How can I help you today? Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight, please. Of course. Can I see your passport and ticket, please? Sure. Here you go. Thank you. I see you're booking for flight AB 205 to London. Are you checking in any bags today? Yes, I have 1 suitcase. Please put it on the scale right here. I hope it isn't too heavy. It is 18 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilograms, so you are well within the limit. No extra charge. Here is your boarding pass. It has your seat number, 14A, and your gate number, gate 22. Please be there by 10 a.m. 14A and gate 22. Got it. Thank you.
Now for step 2, security. This is a very important part to keep everyone safe.
What do I need to do with these plastic trays?
You need to put your belongings in the tray. Take off your jacket, your belt, and empty your pockets. See that frame? That is the metal detector. It looks like a big doorway. That is where we will walk through.
Should I take out my phone and my keys?
Yes, put your phone, wallet, and keys in the tray. Also, if you have a laptop, take it out of your bag and put it in a separate tray by itself.
Okay. Everything is in the trays. Now what?
Now walk through the metal detector. If it beeps, don't panic. It just means the staff needs to check you.
I did it. Now I just pick up my things from the other side.
Well done, Sarah. You finished step 2. You were very calm at security.
Thank you, Mark. I feel much more relaxed now that it is over.
I told you there was no need to panic. You followed all the instructions perfectly.
You're right.
I feel more confident now. I know exactly what to do next.
That's the spirit. Now let's walk through the shops toward the boarding gate. Now that we are finished with security, we can walk toward the gates. This area is called duty-free.
Everything is so bright and colorful. Can we buy things here?
Yes, you can buy gifts, snacks, or perfume here. But we should check the time first. We need to be at gate 22 by 10 o'clock.
You're right. Let's follow the signs for gate 22. I feel much more relaxed now that we are through security.
We are now at the boarding gate. This is step 3. This is where we wait for the plane.
I feel much more relaxed now. The airport is very beautiful from here.
I'm glad to hear that. Look at your boarding pass. What group are you in?
Let me see. It says Group 2. I see the staff getting ready at the desk now. Good morning. We are now boarding groups 1 through 3. Can I see your boarding pass and passport, please? Good morning. Here they are together. Thank you. Everything looks good. You are all set. When you enter the plane, turn left and walk down the aisle to row 14. Turn left, walk down the aisle, row 14. Got it. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your flight today. Excuse me, I am looking for seat 14A. Is this the right row?
Yes, this is row 14. Seat A is right there by the window. That one is yours.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
And I am in 14B, right next to you. This is a great spot, Sarah.
Mark, where should I put my carry-on bag?
You can put it in the overhead bin. It is the compartment right about your seat.
Okay, let me try. Is it in the right way?
Yes, that's good. Just push it in a little more so it doesn't fall out. And please close the bin.
Done. It is safe now. Good afternoon. We are going to take off soon, so I need you to please fasten your seatbelt. Actually, I am not quite sure how this works. Could you show me?
Of course, it is very easy. First, take the flat metal end in one hand.
Yes, I see it. This part here.
Now slide it into the buckle until you hear a click.
Oh, I heard the click. Did I do it right?
Yes, that is perfect. Now pull the loose end of the strap to tighten it around your waist.
Okay, I think this feels right. Is this good enough?
Yes, that looks great. You are all set.
Thank you so much. I feel much more relaxed now.
Listen, Sarah. The flight attendants are starting the safety demonstration. It is very important to watch them.
They are showing how to use the oxygen mask and the life vest. Everything is explained so clearly.
Yes. Also, look at the sign above your seat. When the seatbelt sign is on, you must stay in your seat with your belt fastened.
I understand. I will keep it on. Oh, the plane is moving faster now. We're taking off.
Just relax and breathe, Sarah. Look out the window. You can see the ground getting smaller.
It's beautiful. I'm a little nervous, but the view is amazing.
Look, Sarah. The flight attendants are coming with the food trolley. This is a good time to practice your English.
Good afternoon. Would you like chicken or pasta for your meal today?
I would like the chicken, please.
Certainly. And would you like something to drink? We have water, orange juice, and coffee.
I'll have an orange juice, please. No ice, thank you.
Great job, Sarah. You used I would like and I'll have. Those are very polite ways to order.
Thank you, Mark. The food looks good. It is much easier to speak English when I am prepared. Mark, I need to use the lavatory, but I see 2 different signs. One is red and one is green.
That's a great observation. The red sign says occupied. That means someone is inside.
And the green sign?
The green sign says vacant. That means it is empty and you can go in.
Occupied means full, and vacant means empty. I understand. Okay, the sign just turned green. I'll be right back.
Now that you have visited the lavatory and finished your meal, it is time for the best part of a long flight. Relaxing.
It is much quieter now. Why are the lights going down?
The crew diminishes the lights so everyone can take a rest. You should try to sleep a little before we arrive in London.
I am a bit tired, but how can I be comfortable in this seat?
You can recline your seat. Look at the small button on your armrest. Press it and lean back slowly.
Oh, this is much better. It is very cozy now.
Exactly. Just remember to keep your seatbelt fastened over your blanket, just like the sign says.
I understand. I will stay buckled in.
Now close your eyes and enjoy the rest of the journey.
Good night, Mark. Thank you for being such a great guide.
We made it, Sarah. Welcome to London.
It was wonderful. I followed all 4 steps: check-in, security, the gate, and the plane.
You did an amazing job. You spoke slowly and clearly, and you were so calm.
I remembered all your tips. It feels so good to be here. Mark, I really want to thank you. I was so worried this morning, but your help made me feel confident.
You are very welcome, Sarah. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural the words will feel.
I will keep practicing every day. Now I am ready for my business meeting tomorrow.
I know you will be great. Now, let's get your suitcase and head to the hotel.
Let's go. Thank you again, Mark.
We did it! That was the whole process of getting on a plane from the very beginning to the very end. Let's review the 4 steps one more time. Step 1 was check-in and dropping off your bags. Step 2 was the security check. Step 3 was the boarding gate. And step 4 was inside the plane. I know it can feel a little scary to speak English at the airport, especially for the first time, but remember, the staff are there to help you. My advice is this: listen to this video many times. Listen while you cook, walk, or even before you sleep. If you listen again and again, the words will start to feel natural. I am really proud of you for studying today. Keep going and don't give up. I believe in you. Now let's look at our question from the beginning. What do you need at the check-in counter? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments. Even one sentence is great practice for your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey with Sarah and Mark, please subscribe and like the video. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.